We are pleased to show you the 2024 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.